Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a video on Facebook in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, go to your Facebook account and navigate to the section where you can create a post. At the top, click on Photo Video, and a pop-up box will appear. From here, click on it to open your File Explorer and select the video you want to upload. Once you choose your video, it will appear inside the post box. You can now add a title, description, or any details you want. For example, I'll type YouTube tutorial at the top. After entering all the details, click on Post, and Facebook will begin uploading your video. Since it's a video, the upload might take a little longer compared to a photo, so just give it some time. And that's it. Super simple and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next one.